the media monitoring tool our team trusts most is missing half the story. Two platforms dominate the PR intelligence space right now, each solving a very different problem. One is built for global coverage, tracking news, social media, and broadcast across dozens of languages and markets. The other is built around relationships, with a journalist database so large it has become the industry standard for pitching and measuring impact. Both cost serious money, and both have agencies and in-house teams who swear by them. And depending on which one a communications team picks, the gaps in what they can see could cost them a crisis they never saw coming. Stay until the end because the difference between these two tools is not just about features. It is about what a PR team is actually trying to do. Most PR professionals think of media monitoring as a single category. Meltwater and CisionOne have spent years proving that assumption wrong. Meltwater was founded in Oslo in 2001, starting as a simple news clipping service for PR teams. It was essentially a digital version of press-cutting agencies, find relevant articles, deliver them daily, and bill monthly. The pitch was efficiency, and the technology was basic by today's standards. But then the internet changed everything, and the role of PR intelligence expanded rapidly. By the 2010s, Meltwater had evolved into something significantly more complex and powerful. It expanded coverage to include social media, broadcast transcripts, podcasts, and online forums across more than 190 countries. It built editorial intelligence tools that could track sentiment, identify emerging narratives, and surface competitive coverage in real time. It also added influencer identification, audience analytics, and AI-driven analysis capable of processing millions of data points instantly. Today, Meltwater monitors over 270,000 sources globally and processes billions of pieces of content every day. Its AI sentiment analysis can read tone across multiple languages with a level of accuracy that was impossible a decade ago. Its social listening infrastructure also pulls from platforms traditional tools ignored: Reddit threads, niche forums, podcasts, and YouTube comments. For global brands and multinational teams, that breadth of coverage is extremely difficult to replicate. But breadth is not the same as depth, and that is where the second platform enters the conversation. CisionOne is not trying to monitor everything happening everywhere at once. Instead, it is focused on connecting the right people at the right time with the right information. Cision as a company dates back to 1892, originally operating as a Swedish press clipping bureau. Over more than a century, it expanded through acquisitions like PR Newswire, Gorkana, and Bulletin Intelligence. Each acquisition added data, tools, and capabilities, eventually leading to a unified system. CisionOne brought all of these layers together into a single platform designed for modern PR workflows. The core of CisionOne is its journalist and media contact database. It holds profiles on over 1.7 million journalists, editors, bloggers, and influencers worldwide. Each profile includes beat information, recent work, publication history, contact preferences, and social activity. Unlike purely automated systems, this database is continuously updated by a global research team verifying data manually. For PR professionals focused on getting stories placed, this database is the most valuable asset. Knowing who to contact, how to contact them, and what they care about changes the success rate of outreach dramatically. A well-targeted pitch to the right journalist at the right moment can land major coverage. A generic pitch sent to a weak or outdated list almost always fails. CisionOne also offers something Meltwater does not directly replicate: the React score. This proprietary metric measures not just coverage, but actual impact and engagement over time. It evaluates how far a story travels, how audiences respond, and how brand perception shifts as a result. For PR teams trying to prove ROI to leadership, this kind of measurement can completely change internal conversations. Now place both platforms side by side, and the difference becomes clear very quickly. Meltwater is fundamentally a surveillance and intelligence tool. It watches conversations, listens across platforms, processes massive volumes of data, and identifies patterns. It tells teams what is being said, where it is being said, and how sentiment is evolving in real time. Its strength lies in scale, speed, and geographic reach across global markets. Crisis teams especially value how quickly it detects negative spikes and traces their origin. But Meltwater's journalist database is smaller and has faced criticism around data freshness and accuracy. For teams focused heavily on outreach and relationship management, it can feel limited. CisionOne moves in the opposite direction, prioritizing depth over breadth. Its database, pitch tracking, and relationship management tools are designed specifically for media relations workflows. It understands the process of pitching because it was built around that exact job. However, its monitoring coverage, while strong, does not match Meltwater's global scale. Some international teams report regional gaps that require additional tools to fully cover. And its React score, while useful, is still a proprietary metric with limited transparency. Neither platform is weak. Both are enterprise-grade systems built for serious PR operations. Their pricing reflects that, with Meltwater starting around $6,000 annually and scaling upward. CisionOne follows a similar enterprise pricing model with custom quotes based on usage and access. For smaller teams or individuals, neither option is a casual investment. So when teams are forced to choose, the decision becomes highly strategic. Industry feedback shows a clear pattern in how organizations make that choice. Teams focused on monitoring, competitive analysis, and early crisis detection tend to choose Meltwater. Its AI, coverage breadth, and social listening capabilities give it a strong edge in awareness. Teams focused on outreach, relationship building, and proving PR impact tend to choose CisionOne. Its database, pitching tools, and reporting systems are built specifically for that workflow. The challenge is that most modern PR teams need both capabilities simultaneously. They need to monitor conversations while also managing relationships and outreach. Some larger organizations solve this by running both platforms together. Drop a like if this helped clarify the decision and reach others asking the same question. Subscribe for more comparisons like this one and share your experience in the comments below.